Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And guys, today I am so excited because I will be showing you guys how I go from this, having my hair in this very thick afro puff, to this. Guys, this is a beautiful wig that I got from Kim's Fashion Paradise. This is a beautiful curly deep wave unit, and I'm going to show you guys how I slay this wig and apply it on my thick, kinky, curly, natural hair. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is the wig right here, giving you a close-up. And like I said before, this wig is from Kim's Fashion Paradise. On Instagram, you can follow them. I'm gonna obviously put it on the screen right here. So this is a lace front unit. It is 12 inches long. It is a deep wave. The curl pattern is a deep wave, so it has these beautiful nice wavy curls. And inside, I'm showing you the clips right here. It has 5 different clips to secure it onto your hair, so when you put it on, it's not going to budge. Very nice hair, very nice unit. The lace looks great, and you can just see that the hair is beautiful. So I'm gonna start with bleaching my hair. So I'm gonna be using this bleach powder and this faulty developer. I'm actually not going to bleach the hair. I'm going to be bleaching the knots so that the hair can blend into my scalp as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is mix those two together until I get a very thick cream like this. Ensure that the cream is thick so that when you apply it to your lace, it doesn't get on the actual hair and end up bleaching the hair. So ensure that it is thick, and then you're going to just smooth it onto the surface of the lace, like what I'm doing right here. And when I'm done, this is what it looks like. I'm not putting it at the back because I'm not really focusing on the back of the hair. It's going to be covered. I'm just in the front, and I'm leaving that on for 10 minutes because I don't want to over process my hair. Now I'm showing you guys me braiding my hair. Guys, I'm not really good at braiding, so don't judge me. And after the 10 minutes, this is literally what the wigs look like. It looks really good. The lace looks great. It's perfect. It's going to be a perfect base for me to apply to my hair, and it's going to look super natural. Now I'm applying the unit on my head, and I'm just pulling it tight and applying the clips, ensuring that the clips are tucked properly into my hair so that the hair won't budge. Now I'm gonna cut the lace off. So what you're gonna do is when you cut the lace, you're not gonna cut it in a perfect circle, if that makes sense. You just take your time and kind of zigzag it so that it can mimic the natural hairline basically. After cutting the lace, now I'm gonna spray the lace onto my hair and glue it using this Got2b glue spray. Now the wig fits very snugly on my hair. I didn't feel like I had to go in and make sure that everything was down. I just kind of did the front and the sides to ensure that they would stay in place. But honestly, the wig fit my hair very well, so I didn't really go all in with the gluing down process. Now I'm using this blow dryer just to ensure that my hair stays in place, just to help to dry and speed up the process time. Alright, now I'm gonna cut some baby hairs. So I'm kind of focusing on one side of my hair because how I'm gonna style it is I'm gonna just tuck that side behind my ears. So I kind of want some baby hairs out, so I cut the sides And then I'm just going to be using this foam and putting this on the baby hair and on the hair also, using this fine tooth comb and just kind of doing a little swoop, swooping up the hair so I can get some cute baby hairs. And guys, I really recommend this foam. I think it's cream of nature. It is so good. It defines your hair and it gives it great hold. I 10 out of 10 would recommend this foaming moisturizer. Now when I feel like I'm finished with my baby hairs, I'm going to be applying some foam all over my hair. So this is what I'm going to use to define the curls. And of course you can spray it with some water, but guys, you see when I spray this hair with water, you see when I apply that foam, I mean, you can see like the hair literally curls right up. The quality is amazing and it just looks really good. I loved how the hair reacted to the foam, to the product that I was using. It got super curly and super soft. It didn't really take a lot of work at all. And I'm combing through the hair, and listen, you see how that fine tooth comb is running through that hair? Like the curl pattern for this hair was very soft. When you apply water and you apply the foam on it, you can comb through it so easily, and as you comb through it, the curl literally snaps right back. I love the quality of this hair. So yeah guys, this is what it was looking like when I was finished with the foam, and I kind of ended up doing some more work to my edges off camera so I could see better basically, but this is what it looked like. It looked really great, very soft, very curly, very shiny, very supple. I was able to comb through the hair and it wasn't even wet at this point. I'm just showing you guys the curl pattern and how easy it is to comb through. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and of course please check out Kim's Fashion Paradise. That's where I got this wig from. Very affordable prices, based in Jamaica, Negril, Jamaica, guys. Check it out. Love this hair, definitely recommend it, 10 out of 10. And of course please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.